2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024. 5 years have gone by and you still haven't hit $100,000 a month. During that time, I've scaled 8 of my own companies to over $100,000 a month. In fact, I've even scaled some of those offers to over $800,000 a month and cash collected over $1 million a month between all of my companies. On top of that, I've even helped 142 of my own clients hit $100,000 a month. So at this point, you can say that we've got the process down to a science, AKA, it's not luck. Now with that in mind, if you haven't been able to hit those numbers, it's not your fault. There's a solution to this that you've never thought of, and it comes down to a 6-step scientific formula. The problem is that most people don't understand this formula, and it leaves them stuck at the 6-figure mark for months, and in some worst cases, even years. In fact, I've seen people from the days when I started in online marketing still stuck to this day at $10, $20, or $30,000 a month. And I don't say that to brag. It's more so to show the reality that if you don't use this formula, you risk being stuck at the 6-figure mark forever. I've even seen some people scale all the way to $100,000 a month and then come crashing down and never hit it again. All because they didn't leverage the 6-step formula that I'm about to share with you guys today. I call it the Da Vinci formula, and it holds the 6 codes that every single offer needs in order to be able to scale to $100,000 months. And in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down each code one by one to help you unlock that magical goal of finally being able to hit $100,000 within 30 days. With that being said, I want you guys to sit back, dial in, do not relax, because I know so many of you guys have insane ADHD and you're gonna wanna go ahead and click off this video. So with that in mind, let's dive in. Like I mentioned, we are gonna be going over the 6 codes to scaling to $100,000 a month. And I like to call it the Da Vinci formula. It's kind of the Da Vinci code of $100,000 months. And it's very simple. There's 6 codes. We're gonna be breaking down each one of the codes. The first code is, what can I sell? What can I sell for $10,000? Now, a lot of people, when they're scaling to $100,000 a month, they are afraid of charging a lot more. The problem is that if you're only charging $1,000, you need to close 100 clients in order to hit $100,000 a month. And even though it might feel easier to sell something for $1,000, it's way harder to have to sell it 100 times. The volume is less powerful than quality. I'd rather have 10 clients that pay me $10,000 than 100 clients at $1,000. And by the way, this also makes it way easier on your profit margin. I've seen so many people who are able to finally scale to $100,000 a month with a $1,000 price point, but now their profit margin sucks because they have to service 100 clients. So even if you're able to somehow make the math work to close 100 people at $1,000, now your margin is horrible and you're not actually making any money. So the first code is you have to figure out, what can I sell for $10,000? This is going to make it way easier for you to actually hit the goal. Code number 2, can the people or prospects that I'm selling to afford $10,000? This is really important because I've seen so many people that are stuck at 6 figures waste time in niches and with prospects that don't have money. For example, I've never recommended to anyone to go out and start a real estate marketing agency because most realtors are broke. In fact, most realtors don't even make a single dollar in a whole year. So why would you go out and try to pitch a realtor when you could go out and find a private equity firm or a doctor or a lawyer who's already spending tens of thousands of dollars on crappy marketing that isn't working? So you have to ask yourself, does my market have money? And if the answer is no, I would not try to force it. I don't want to build a volume business where I'm having to charge way less in order to hit $100,000 a month just because they don't have money. And this forces you to have to solve 2 problems. Number 1, do you want to buy this thing? That's the big problem. Like, can I convince someone of buying my offer? But now you have to solve the second problem. Oh crap, they don't have money. How do I get them to afford my offer? I want to make it as simple as possible for you guys. Instead of having to solve 2 problems, number 1, can I convince this person to buy? And number 2, can they afford it? Let's just get rid of problem number 2 and only have 1 problem to deal with. Instead of going after markets that are broke and you're having to do the volume play, let's go after markets that have a lot of money. And as soon as you convince them to buy, they're in. There's no second hurdle. There's no second problem. There's no second hoop that you have to jump through. So this is code number 2. If you can unlock the first code and find an offer to sell for $10,000, which by the way, I made a whole video on that before this. So if you go back after watching this video to the previous video on my channel, I talk about how you can actually mold your offer and change it and optimize it to be able to ethically charge way more. So go back and watch that video. So that's code number 1. Code number 2 is, how do we actually get in front of people who can afford our offer? Because again, if they can't, we're wasting our time and it creates so much inefficiency. That's code number 2. Code number 3, do these prospects actually want my offer? So for example, there's a lot of agencies that sell ads. There's not a lot of businesses at this point anymore that get super excited about ads. So you have to figure out offers that people actually want. For example, I helped an agency implement a whole new offer called the Dr. Celebrity. And the whole promise was, we're going to help you get featured on Forbes, on Inc., on Entrepreneur. We're going to go out and get you to speak on live television at your local news station, whether that's CNN or Fox or NBC. We're also going to help you write a book for your office and actually get it printed out so that when prospects come into your practice, they're like, oh my God, this doctor is amazing. They've been featured on Forbes. They've been featured on Inc. They've spoken on live television. They have a book. We're making them a celebrity doctor. Guess what? We were getting $20 appointments with surgeons, with med spa owners, with some of the top doctors in the whole United States. Why? Because it's an offer that people actually want. They're like, yes, I want this. So many people are trying to force product market fit. Does the market actually want your product? That's what that means. And if they don't, there's no fit. And a lot of you guys end up trying to shove it down their throat, and then it forces you to have to get really good at sales and do these crazy things with guarantees and risk reversals. But if you just find something that people actually want, it makes it way easier. And I would say this is one of the most important codes, not only to scaling to $100,000 a month, but to be able to scale to 8 figures. It's all in your offer, in what you're selling. For example, a lot of you guys don't know this, but I've switched my model where now I own a management company and we partner with different offers and we help them scale through our acquisitions agency, which by the way, if you're doing over $100,000 a month, I'm going to leave a link below where you can apply to work with our acquisitions agency. And as a side note, if you're at 10K a month, you have to be at 10K a month at least, and you want help scaling to $100,000 a month, I have a brand new $100,000 a month program. It doesn't cost that much, but you're going to get that value. With that in mind, what I was trying to say with a management company, when we look at offers, this is the very first thing we start with. Is this an offer that people are going to go, yes, I want it? Because again, it solves problem number 1, convincing people to buy the offer. Then with code number 2, it's like, sweet. Money is not the objection. As long as they say, yes, I'm interested, yes, I want this, money is not the issue. And then if we make it expensive enough, now we have enough leverage to be able to scale quickly and sell less, but less is more. So that's code number 3. All right, let's go to code number 4. Can I run ads to get those prospects as clients? Can I run ads to get these prospects as clients? The reason I put this is because we need to create something I like to call marketing velocity. If we can't get enough appointments for our sales team to close, we're not going to be able to hit $100,000 a month. And instead of having to do it with some crazy strategy like cold email or some crazy strategy like cold calling, we want to make it easier on ourselves. How do we get a lot of appointments efficiently? And I have not found anything other than paid ads to be able to do this, especially with new offers. Now, if you have a huge personal brand, then yeah, you can get a lot of appointments with your brand, but that takes years. And we're talking about the Da Vinci codes, which means we're going to help you guys hit $100,000 a month as efficiently as possible, not over the next 5 years. So yeah, you could build a personal brand that's going to create insane marketing velocity, but that's an asset that you invest into over years and years and years. With that in mind, we want to be able to run ads. If we can't run ads, it just complicates the business. At this point, with my management company, that's one of the big criteria. If we can't run ads to acquire clients, we're not going to touch that offer. If we have to do some like creative strategy in order to get clients, it's just not worth it. So that's code number 4. Let's go to code number 5. Code number 5, can I spend at least $1,000 a day on ads? And this is because we need to make the $100,000 a month math work. So can I spend $1,000 a day on ads? I'll break down the math in just a second. If we're spending $1,000 a day and we get $100 appointments. Now let's just play worst case here because I want to be conservative in helping you guys hit $100,000 a month. So $100 appointments, but only half show up. So 50% show up rate. That means that we're actually getting $200 per showed appointment. So $200 per showed appointment. And let's say that out of all the appointments that show up, only 1 out of 3 are truly qualified where you're like, yeah, I can make them an offer. I can pitch them and I can close them. Doesn't mean that you're going to, but you feel confident about being able to. And as a side note, most people have way better expectations around ads than the way they actually are. The math is like you have to make it work. And again, if we go back to one of the Da Vinci codes, what can I sell for $10,000? If you can sell something for $10,000, it makes it way easier for you to spend more to acquire clients, and then the math becomes easier. Where you get stuck is when your cost per acquisition is $2,000, but you're only selling something for $500. Now you're in the red. Whereas if your cost per acquisition is $2,000, but your package is $10K, you just got a 5x ROAS on the front end. And by the way, for most of the big dogs in the space that are spending over $1,000 a day, their cost per acquisition on a B2B offer is best case scenario $1,000. Say worst case scenario even $4,000 or even $5,000. But let's say it's $3,000 cost per acquisition in our case. So $3,000 cost per acquisition. And let's say that 1 out of every 3 appointments are actually qualified. So it's $600 per qualified appointment. With this math, we can get to $100,000 a month. And I'll show you why with code number 6. Can I close a client every 3 days? Or in other words, can I close 1 out of 5 qualified appointments? As long as you have a 20% close rate, or you can close 1 client every 3 days, which is essentially the same thing, you can now hit $100,000 per month. And let me prove it to you. So 1 out of 5 means $3,000 CAC. Again, if you are taking 5 calls a day, and you're spending $1,000 a day every 3 days. So 1 out of every 3, you're spending $3,000 to acquire a client. So you close 1 out of every 3 days with these Da Vinci codes, you have everything in place to hit $100,000 a month. So let's say $3,000 cost per acquisition. Now you, on a $1,000 a day ad spend, you're closing 10 people. If you're selling something for $10,000, times 10, we've got ourselves $100,000 a month. Now you're probably wondering, what about the profit? How does that work? Well, let's say that your cost of fulfillment equals 4K. So your cost of fulfillment equals 4K. 4K cost to fulfill. You have 3K cost per acquisition. You're left with $3,000 profit. And again, cost of fulfillment includes things like sales commission, your team, softwares, etc. So on average, let's say it costs $4,000 per close, $3,000 profit. That's a 30% profit margin business on cold traffic, which is really solid. And again, I'm not going to lie to you and paint a picture of things being easier or better than they actually are. This is just the math, and here's the reality. So if you're putting in $30,000 in ads and you're making $100,000, and then out of that $100,000 you keep $30,000 in profit, that's freaking amazing. And anyone that tells you otherwise has the wrong expectations, or a massive personal brand, which again takes years to develop, and that's not what we're talking about here, or just has the wrong expectation or is lying to you. So 30% profit margin on these numbers, and we can hit $100,000 a month, and we're profiting $30,000. And again, this is to a cold audience, which means that you can keep scaling it. It's not like building a massive personal brand. And again, this is worst case scenario. The cost to acquire a client is probably going to be a little bit better, especially at these lower numbers. It only gets to about $3,000 when you're spending over $50,000 a month on ads, and your cost of fulfillment could probably be better too. I'm just playing worst case scenario here to give you guys a really clear picture of what it takes to hit $100,000 conservatively. So this is the Da Vinci code, guys. I'll break it down right now. 100K a month equals 10 sales at 10K, and you need 1K ad spend per day. If you do that and follow all 6 codes, you're going to be able to scale to $100,000 a month. So with that in mind, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe to the channel. If you guys are liking this type of content and you want more advanced content, if you like the notebook style, let me know in the comments. If you hate it, also let me know. And that being said, much love. Hope you guys are doing amazing, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.